Hi guys, it's Tyler with the Dauber Stopper HomeCare team. Today we're going to be talking about a little pest prevention. So kind of what we're doing is just fine combing the bottom layer of the house, looking for any open entry points or any ways that pests, mice, or other critters can get into the home. Upon my inspection, one thing I found is what looks to be a water heater drain line, emergency drain line, and also a washer and dryer drain line. So these are very, very common in most homes. You're going to see them everywhere. You need the water to leave the house. Clearly, this one's a bit of a fighter. Not very good of a fighter, as we can tell. It lost to a weed eater, it looks to be. But in that fight, what we've actually come to realize is that it's opened up a huger gateway. Not only are we allowing crickets and spiders and roaches and ants to get in, that looks pretty big. That's something a regular sized mouse could actually break its skeleton down and squeeze into your home. Nobody wants rat in your home. Alright, now that I've pointed out some obvious entry points and ways to fix them, what you can do is actually, when you get home, walk the perimeter of your own home, check to see if you have any obvious entry points, call your local pest control company, and get that stopped before it becomes a problem. So until next time, it's Tyler with the Dauber Stopper and HomeCare.